In this demo, I'd like to present the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a small computer that has a connection to the screen, and also it has USB connection, so you can connect keyboard, mouse, and even a Wi-Fi dongle. And like the Arduino, the Raspberry Pi also has pins, general purpose input and output, so you can control with the Pi different hardware or even read sensor information. So in this demo, I'd like to use a very special LED. This LED is called an RGB LED, red, green, and blue, and I can change the color by applying different voltage to each of the color leg or input of the LED. So let's take this Python application. I use pin 3, 5, and 7. I set the output, set the pin mode to be output, and then I loop through all the pins, all the combination, the 8 different combinations to get the different colors, and I delay each time for 2 seconds, and I'm doing it 100 times. So let's run the application. Since I'm using the GPIO, I need to be a sysadmin. So sudo python and blinky, and as you can see, the colors, the LED is changing the color, and it cycles through all the different combination. Since I'm using only binary combination, I get the basic 8 different colors. I have the same application, but this time using C++. There is a library called Wiring Pi that provides a simulation for the Pi that simulates the Arduino. So let's see the Wiring Pi application. So this time I'm using C++. I have the same LEDs, set the mode to be output, and loop through the LEDs through the colors, but this time I'm using 100 millisecond delay. So let's run this application. Again, have to be admin, and it's C++, so let's run the application, and now you can see that the color is changing rapidly. But again, it's the same idea, same application, but this time using C++. So this was the Raspberry Pi. We will see the Raspberry Pi in a much bigger demo later on.